Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have Vencord installed. Now get the theme files and place them where Vencord expects them. First, open Discord and confirm Vencord shows in extensions. Once done, download the CSS or zip theme, extract into a clear folder. Make sure developer mode is enabled so you can locate the Vencord themes directory. This lets you drop files directly into extensions/themes. Do this now and keep the original. Zip as a backup in case you need to revert. You will now install and configure the theme. First, place the CSS in the Vencord themes folder or use Vencord's import option in the Extensions tab. Next, edit theme variables, colors, fonts, spacing, so the theme fits your client. Modify only labeled variables to avoid breaking CSS. Once edits are saved, toggle the theme on in Vencord and watch the UI update. Make sure to preview in multiple channels and overlay states, because some values behave differently under dark versus light modes. Finish by finalizing your changes and creating a backup. Restart Discord to ensure the theme fully applies and clear the client cache if any old styles linger. Save a version copy of your customized CSS so you can roll back if needed. If something goes wrong, disable the theme immediately. Then open the developer console and look for CSS or JavaScript errors. These indicate conflicting plugins or syntax mistakes. Fix the reported line, reapply, and restart. That usually.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.